You're invited today to join us as we spend a few days in Beaver Lake, Arkansas. We spent time enjoying the campground, hiking a nearby trail, relaxing, and enjoying the mostly great weather. We are Scott and Kelly. Welcome to Grateful Getaways. Beaver Dam Site Lake Campground is located in northwest Arkansas on the Eureka Springs side of the lake. It sits on an island surrounded by the Ozark Mountains and beautiful water. This campground gave us spectacular views, sunrises, sunsets. You'll find yourself sharing the space with the geese, so know that you will need to wipe your feet or take your shoes off before entering your camper or tent. Beaver Lake has 28,000 acres of water and is great for fishing, boating, hiking, and just playing. There are 44 sites that offer water and electric. The sites are spacious and give you room to spread out and enjoy the views. The covered shelters are a bonus. There's a pit toilet, but also a shower house with flush toilets. There are a handful of sites across the causeway, and they are right on the water as well. We are pretty sure there is not a bad site in this park. There is a swim beach, but the only ones we saw using it were the geese. So you can decide if you really want to hang out on that beach or go to a more public beach. This is our site, number 45, and we had great views of the water. It is in the center and gave us plenty of room to have a tent when our family came on the weekend. You can find the private boat ramp right across the causeway from the campground. The dump station is up the road outside of the campground. You have to cross over Highway 187, and as you can see, the dump station is on the left. There's no room for anyone to line up behind. You have to plan accordingly. Scott made use of the portable waste tank, or whatever you would like to call it, the turd hearse, the hockey hauler, the poop scooter, the honey wagon. Whatever it is, Scott hooked it up and headed to the dump station at a time that was not busy. The Dam Overlook is close to the campground. Beaver Dam was built in 1961. The location of the dam was to be near Beaver, Arkansas. Therefore, the dam would be known as Beaver Dam. However, after further look at the terrain, it was decided to move the dam a few miles to the current location, but the name remained. There are several trails around Beaver Lake, and we opted to hike the trail near the dam. So we just finished the Dogwood Overlook Trail, which is located over by the dam. So you park where you have the dam overlook, and we can, or from there you can walk and
Yeah,
go to the trailhead.
pretty nice view of the dam on both sides, actually, from the parking lot in the overlook. But then the trailhead's not too far from there. It's a really nice trail, real pretty.
The trail starts by going up a lot of steps. There's 348 feet of elevation, I think. I can't remember for sure.
Seemed like more than that, though.
It's only supposed to be, according to the sign, it's supposed to be 2 miles. But we see on all trails it's 1.4 miles. And then we went out of our way because, as you might know from other videos, we are notorious for not really paying attention to trail markers until we're off trail. So we got off trail a couple of times. So we probably added even a half a mile to this. So 2.1 miles by the time we finished. I'm guessing it's probably closer to the 1.4, but
in true Grateful Getaways fashion, we extended the trail.
We made it over 2 miles.
But,
so
you know, it was really neat. It was nice, mostly shaded areas, but rocky roots. You know, it's kind of a moderate trail, I would say, but it was good. We enjoyed it.
Yeah, you really need to be careful. Sometimes it's steep enough when you're going up, and it's rocky enough that it's loose rock. And so I slid a couple of times on that for the most part. And coming down, same thing. You just have to be careful with the loose rocks. There's that situation where you just have to look for your next tree and grab it and hang on.
Yeah.
Hang on until you get steady.
But some parts are pretty steep. You might find yourself doing a little scrambling in some of the looser rock, but it's doable for just about anybody.
Okay, that scrambling part was really fun, but most people are going to look at that and think, I've never needed to scramble on that part or whatever. I scramble. My balance is not great. I wish it was better. Keep thinking it's going to get better, but then I don't know. I just scramble up the rocks and call it good. I also like the bluff shelters. Those were so nice, and it was just beautiful through there.
Yeah.
I really like that kind of thing on a hike. A lot of pretty features along the way. There were some wildflowers, different things. So
we were looking for bear just because of the news in Arkansas lately, but we didn't see anything. We saw squirrels and birds. That was about it. My favorite was the bluff overlook shelter things. I don't know what you call them.
Mine too.
But along the trails, especially on some of the uphill stuff, they had benches laid out so you could sit down and catch your breath. It was kind of nice.
Yeah. Do you recommend the trail? It's not easy. It's not considered easy, so you just have to take some things into consideration. But it wasn't difficult by any means for us. It was just getting used to the loose rocks and the elevation. The end of the trail, I thought we were downhill all the way, and then towards the end, we had to go back uphill. Not quite as steep as some of the other places, but I was really kind of done with the uphill thing. And then it came out, what was weird, it came out in that, like at the end of the road there at the loop.
Where we parked
And so we could not figure out how to go around the loop the other way, and well, that's wise, because it actually starts further down the road. So who knew? The marina closest to Beaver Lake Dam site is 7 miles away, Starkey Marina. It's a curvy, winding drive to get there, and unfortunately, we came at the end of the season in October, and the marina, we realized, was closed during the week. Getting ice is also a drive. There is no store on site, so the closest store is just a few miles up the road in either direction from the campground. Our kids came to visit on the weekend. The tent was up and ready, and we enjoyed the evening playing Yahtzee and relaxing.
Might be pie. When's the last time we played this? Because it's like the same signature.
The next day, we hung out in Eureka Springs all day while it rained. By the time we got back to camp, Eureka Springs and the entire area lost power, including the campground. The tent poles couldn't take the high winds, and the kids' beds were floating when we got back. It was decided they would drive back to Kansas City. Though disappointing, we did have a good time. We do love this area near Eureka Springs and really enjoyed our time at Beaver Lake. Thank you for joining us. We hope you have enjoyed this video. If you would like to know more about Eureka Springs, check out our Eureka Springs video. I will link it in the comments below.
I can tell a good thing when a good thing comes along. Darling, tell me all about the dreams you had last night.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.
I ain't going nowhere, always feels so very right. When you find good love, it's the one that you should keep. And if we settle down, we don't have to settle down. Please don't be afraid of all